Hello and welcome. I'm Fabio Guerrini, Product Manager for Mapei's Sealing and Bonding line. Today I would like to present MAPEFLEX Xpress 8400, a 2-component, ultra-rapid setting, castable polyurea sealant, for sealing joints and cracks in floors. Roughly clean the joint with a wire brush to remove any loose or detached material. Then clean the joint thoroughly with compressed air to remove all traces of dust and loose material. Hold the biaxial cartridge upright and shake for at least 30 seconds. Insert the 300 plus 300 ml biaxial cartridge into a Mapei gun 602K sealant gun. Unscrew the cap from the cartridge and screw and tighten the static mixer onto the cartridge with the collar. Extrude the product, discarding the first 2 shots, to make sure the 2 components in the cartridge are perfectly mixed. Extrude the sealant into the joint, making sure it is overfilled slightly to guarantee it is completely sealed. The sealant is highly fluid, making it easier and quicker to fill the joint and any gaps around the joint. In fact, if there are any chips or uneven areas along or around the joint, MAPEFLEX Xpress 8400 is able to both seal the joint and fill any gaps along the edges with a single application. After sealing the joint, keep the cartridge upright to prevent more product being released. If only part of the contents of the MAPEFLEX Xpress cartridge is used, remove the static mixer and dispose of it accordingly. Screw the cap back onto the cartridge so that the remaining contents can be used at a later date. Once mixed inside the static mixer supplied with the product, MAPEFLEX Xpress reacts very quickly. If not used for more than 90 seconds, the sealant will set and the end of the static mixer will become blocked. To avoid this happening, program work to avoid any interruptions. If the static mixer is blocked or if applying the remains of a cartridge of MAPEFLEX Xpress used previously, attach a new static mixer by screwing it onto the cartridge. Extruding the first 2 shots of sealant and disposing of them accordingly. After 20 minutes and within 3 hours, any excess sealant applied in the joint can be removed with a scraper to obtain a joint with a perfectly flat surface level with the adjacent floor. MAPEFLEX Xpress sets to foot traffic after just 45 minutes and may be transited by vehicles after 3 hours. The perfect flatness of the sealant with respect to the adjacent floor and its high surface hardness help improve the durability of the joint and level of comfort when transiting over it.